made a file of 5 problems, tutorial problems, 5 number of tutorial problems, and in a variety of ways, the way you will be encountering your design problems in your this subject or in your project or so sometimes. So that I have sampled. If time permits, I'll do a couple of more. That file I have uploaded in the general section. Can you hear me, all of you? Am I
Yes, sir.
audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
If you don't tell, how do I consider that what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
talking, you are knowing that?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? What I said? Oh God,
Yes, sir.
so silent. Then the problem is there that I don't know if I'm talking and somebody listening to me or not. It's very funny. You don't want me to do the tutorial, or what is the problem? Because somebody from your class only may raise this point, has to do some problem, numerical problem, tutorial. Any teacher there? Professor Gupta, are you there?
Good morning, sir. Vikas Sharma from Devghar. Vikas,
I was
please, sir.
saying that I have made a file, I have uploaded that file in your general section. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It
Okay,
is in
sir.
my name. There are 5 problems in that. I'll try to take those problems one by one for the students. Okay? They can
Yes, sir.
have their questions and all that. We can go in an interactive manner there. If time permits, I'll take some more problems today. At least those 5 are important. I have sampled from various other, problem domain. So it will be easy for them to understand the entire module 1 that I have taught so far. Okay.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
I will display the file for the time being for your convenience. You can choose that from the general section, that file is there, and you can copy it. I'm going to display that here on the screen also, but you have to copy quickly because I have to take my uh, your this tablet into consideration. Otherwise, I cannot discuss the solution. Okay, so I just first of all I will take the handler to present. Okay, now I'll take the file. Yeah, can you see the file? No.
Yes, sir.
My file is visible. Is my file visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have displayed that. I have chosen these 5 tutorial problems for tutorial 1. If you want more problems, I'll do that. Nothing to worry about. I will do that in Friday class also if need be. Okay, so it's not that today if you have not put all your doubts, you cannot ask any other example as a tutorial for Friday class also. That will be taken up, no problem. So you can read it. First one is, here it is millisecond, not mm second. It is millisecond. So you have to correct, such things will be happening in my typing. A square wave of voltage 3 volt to 4 volt. Remember, it is not going to be a bidirectional, 3 volt to 4 volt. I made it general. And its time period is 1 millisecond. That means its frequency becomes your 1 kilohertz. It is applied to an RC circuit. RC circuit can be low pass, high pass, whatever way you have discussed in the class. Having this RC equal to 2, R into C becomes your 2. If this to this one it is fed, what is going to be the output voltage when it is a high pass circuit, when it is a low pass circuit. When it is a low pass circuit, you are taking voltage across the capacitor. When it is a high pass circuit, you are taking the voltage output across the resistance. Okay, that is the difference. I think here I just I wound up. I think some doubt might be there in your mind, so I have chosen this problem. High pass, low pass, both I have chosen. Second case, same thing I repeated when I made it RC equal to 10. Time constant has changed. What will happen to this shape? Okay, it happens like that. Third problem I'm taking, instead of voltage pulse, a current pulse is applied now. A current pulse of amplitude I, it's not one, it is I, capital I. A current pulse amplitude is capital I and its duration is TP, pulse duration. You know, a single pulse I'm applying, but it is a current pulse. Just for confusing you, it is taught to you in your first year class also by some electrical engineering teacher, Thevenin's equivalent and all that, Norton's theorem, Thevenin's theorem. Anyway, I have just given like that. Is applied to a parallel RC circuit. R and C are parallel to the current source. Okay, current pulse. Plot the output voltage. Means output will be at resistance and capacitance both. If it is a current pulse applied over there, but we take an equivalent circuit, it will be across the capacitor only. So that is the problem I have chosen. Fourth one, a square wave of amplitude plus minus 1 volt. It is now symmetric now, plus 1 volt and minus 1 volt. I can make it V volt also, doesn't matter. Plus 1 volt and minus 1 volt. And frequency FC, frequency of the square wave is FC. Generally, can make it 1, 2 kilo, put the numerical value, I get the answer. I'll find the general solution in terms of my FC. I could have put here V and V minus V also. Is applied to a high pass CR circuit. Okay. Find the percentage tilt. Professor Sengupta talked to you about the percentage tilt. That is defined by if a voltage V1 is applied to that circuit, okay, it is not remaining a constant, it will start decaying by the time it comes to the width of that particular square wave. That is, if it is your square wave, it will be your capital T by 2, where capital T is 1 by FC, that way. So by the time it comes to that time duration, one complete square wave, positive half, it becomes your V1 dash. So it is computed by that. One way computes, I think it is valid. So V is applied, 1 volt I will be applying. It will become V1 dash. Okay?
सर आप जो लिख रहे हैं वो नहीं दिख रहा है कि खाली सर समझा देंगे?
हम फाइल से लिख रहे हैं, फाइल दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ, बस खाली वो क्वेश्चन दिख रहे हैं 4.
क्वेश्चन क्यों लिख नहीं रहा हूं मैं, अभी लिखना शुरू करूंगा. V1 minus V1 dash divided by V1 minus DC. DC is 0 here. DC is 0. And V1 will be your plus 1. Or maybe your, if it was V, it would have been your V then. So V1 minus V1 dash divided by V1 minus V DC. This ratio into 100 becomes the percentage tilt. So you have to find percentage tilt here, and same thing you can do if it is not a symmetric. I think that is also possible. I'll take in some other problem if need be. Question number 5 I'm describing. I have taken a ramp. Somebody raised doubts about the ramp. I'm taking a ramp. It is going from 0 volt to V volt, capital V volt, in T seconds. So its slope becomes V by capital T. Okay. So it's 0 volt to V volt, it is going, and after that becomes constant. It is applied to high pass CR circuit. Okay, I'm not putting low pass. It is applied to high pass CR circuit. Plot your output when RC R into C, CR circuit RC is equal to capital T. RC, second case, is equal to 5T, now it is higher than that. And RC equal to T by 5, now it is reduced. So output will be changing according to these values. You can put numerical value there, you'll get the answer. Okay, so I have taken this ramp and after that it becoming constant. Ramp is not brought to 0, it is constant. Okay, up to infinity is going like that. Another problem I will take as a periodic ramp I will take. And that I will explain to you in the second phase. When I complete these 5, I'll go to that. Now students, is the problem clear? What I want to ask before I go for solving it? I'll try to solve it here itself, or in this file itself.
These are based on different examples.
Yeah, it is working now. I'll change the color. Change the color.
There are several experimental data.
How to change the color?
These are some experiments given. You can go through this part in the book also. Certain signals, you see the wider beam width signals with
Change the
large
color to red.
intervals
Are solving it now, okay?
The beam width is more, there will be this delay, but they give the better signal coverage since it's wider.
No, it has not become red. Why?
Now these are like over short distances.
To change the
they
rate.
are suitable with narrower antennas.
Anyway,
But the same thing will not be.
it has become lighter, but it is not become. Oh, it's already red.
So based on there are several small
No.
experimental. These are all.
Anyway, question number 1. Here itself I'm solving.
City or
Question number 1.
they actually select
Okay.
a certain range of city over
Uh,
conduct experiment.
Square wave is 3 volt
On this final
to 4 volt.
okay, for this region, this sort of
And so on. It is applied. Here is my datum.
So what is the
That is my 0.
of these experiments are that you need to
Okay.
have adaptive beam antenna.
Its
This is
time period means from here to here.
Same antenna which is used for say within city communication or
1 millisecond.
may not be effective over large distance. We need to design the antenna such that they
So
have
what is this?
adaptive beam
This duration
This is to counter the effect of the
0.5 millisecond.
There are several small examples you can go through.
Here also it is 0.5 millisecond.
All the examples are given over the
A
reference.
square wave I am taking, so it is nothing like any duty cycle or so.
If you have interest, you
It is half duty cycle considered, that is repeating. So that is the definition of a square wave.
can search papers.
Okay. Here voltage was 3 volt and here it was a 4 volt.
These examples
Okay.
are just
RC equal to 2 is given to there at that point. If I am applying to CR circuit, what happens?
exam purpose. You will not have these.
This is my CR
These
circuit.
are to give just a rough idea about the practical implication.
Raise your doubts, whether you have got anything. CR I am putting high pass. I have written high pass circuit only. Second case it will be a low pass circuit. Okay. To this I am applying
One is the time scale. And
this square wave voltage.
you see here the spread
Okay.
is over both the ends.
So what is going to happen here?
The signal is arriving at different times.
Okay.
Which leads to the delay.
This output, can I plot it here or not? Let me see, space is there or not?
You will
A
have
space is there.
delay over the frequency domain.
Here I want to
Spreading
plot it
over
now.
a wide range of frequencies. Similarly, it's spreading over a wide
This
range of
was
time.
starting from 0, applied to CR,
Channel gain is in the
so it will be your
you see the channel gain
same voltage comes here. So it is,
out.
I'm putting this point at my 0 now. Okay. This point at my 0. So the same voltage appears at the output. That is your R. After that, capacitor will start charging. This side positive, this side negative. So it will decrease exponentially. I want to come to this point. That is your 0.5 millisecond. This decay is what? E to the power minus T by RC, and here it is your coming, starting from here it is decaying now. So at T equal to 0 it is maximum, isn't it? So here it is your V, it was 4 volt, it was 4 volt. Here it was your 4 volt.
This one you see it's around minus 35.
1 minus this thing.
Selective feeding.
At T equal to 0 it is 4 volt. When T increasing it starts decreasing. That is my V naught.
The multi-path delay rate is greater than the symbolic.
Now put T equal to 0.5 millisecond. Up to what level it has gone, you can compute from there. 4 into 1 minus e to the power minus
So this one is one of the most important topics.
0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by RC. RC is taken as a time constant in seconds. And nothing given, that is second. RC equal to 2 means it is 2 seconds. So here T is your millisecond, is seconds. You can see it can come up to this point and it becomes constant after some time. That is up to you to decide. It will be coming decreasing like that. It has come up to this point. What happens to this point when it comes? Here 4 volt is now added, reduced by 1 volt. It has to come to your 3 volts. So 4 minus 3 is 1 volt. So here it will come drop. Immediately it comes there 1 volt. Okay, and from here it will start touching this. So again it will be going like that. This is my 3 volt. This is my 3 volt. This is my 4 volt. This is my 3 volt. So how much below it is coming? It's up to you to decide, and it will going again up to 0.5 millisecond. Okay, so it is your e to the power minus T by RC. T becomes your 0.5 millisecond again. So up to what? Does it touch 0 or remains somewhere here? That is up to you to decide. Wherever it remains after that, this has arrived now. And here 1 volt is added. Here plus 1 volt is added. So later on, it may touch your 4 volt, it may not touch your 4 volt. But this difference will be 1 volt. Okay? And again it will start falling like that. This will be your output. So suppose I ask you to compute what is the maximum and minimum voltage at the output. You should be able to tell me what is the maximum voltage, what is the minimum voltage of V naught T level. This exponential decay, suppose a plot I am not asking, at least that you can compute and show me in the result or something that way. So this is for the CR circuit. What have I done in this case? This is applied, this shape has come. So you have got this expression from 0 to 0.5, this expression from 0.5 to 1 millisecond. So it is in 2 parts now. So V naught T will be appearing in these 2 parts, and this one will be repeating periodically. Okay, so V naught T is periodic function in which this shape is repeating periodically. Okay, this is the voltage across my R. So I have got the voltage across R as V naught T. I call it low pass, high pass case. This I have already given values. Doubt there, please raise. Next question I asked is, it is RC circuit, low pass circuit. Same thing is applied to this now. What will be V naught T?
As we move towards this high frequency,
Okay, first of all, I'll find what is V naught dash T. V naught dash T or VRT. Your VR. VRT is V naught dash T. VRT I'll find. This is my V naught T. So my V naught T will be your VIT, that is square wave. This is square wave. Okay? Minus VRT, that is the V naught T, which I have computed for high pass case. So difference of the two plots will appear as V naught T if it is low pass circuit. Any doubt here? Question number 1 I have completed from all the angles for your understanding. This covers almost everything that I have taught. Is it? Anybody who asked me for the problem, is it okay for him? Name I don't know.
Yes,
It's
sir.
okay now? Shall I go to second problem then?
Yes, sir.
So remember, you have to find voltage across VRT first. And that T, you have to consider that in this high pass case. Here I have computed that. This time it is coming here. So input minus that particular plot will become my V naught T. Across the capacitor, that voltage will be coming. So low pass, high pass, both are there. Even step is there, sinusoidal is there, anything is there, you will be able to find that. Okay? Fine. Now let me
10 to 20 kilowatts even for.
I go to problem number 2 now.
So you can understand how much
Do
change
not
the
save.
frequency is operating
Oh, it has gone from here.
Doctor.
Okay. Now problem number 2. Question number 1, we are repeating when RC equal to 10. When RC is increasing, what will happen? Decay will be faster. Am I clear? So sometimes it may become 0 in between also, like that. When RC becomes 10, your voltage is coming from here. It may become 0 here itself. Okay, it has become 0. It will remain 0. This was my pulse.
So it's like
4 volt.
see here, this is
This was my 3 volt.
it's causing the bullet trains of the
So from here to here, it is coming like this.
everywhere at around 60.
Here, 1 volt is
Doctor shift of plus
reduced. So here it falls to this 1
how
volt.
much over
Here
how
will be your
much
1 volt here.
or this frequency scale this
From here to here, 1 volt fall will be there. And then it will start increasing. It may become 0 here itself. After that, it becomes 0. Here again, 1 volt will be added. Something like that will be coming.
So this Doppler spread is primarily due to the Doppler shift, and when the signal is coming from the
And so on.
transmitter,
So this shape will be repeating. This shape
so there is a change in frequency due to the
repeating
Doppler
according to a square wave. If it is a low pass circuit, once again, this shape will be subtracted from this square wave. And the difference will be plotted, that becomes a V naught T for the low pass case. So time constant increasing, you may have this kind of circuit also. You may not have, depending on the value that is given to you. You have to compute. RC is given, R and C individual is not needed, RC is sufficient for analysis. Okay? You want anything? Other students are not asking anything. Am I going fast in the numerical? Or it's okay?
स्क्वायर वेव किस में आएगी? हाई पास, लो पास,
High pass, low pass, what is the confusion? See, look, this is my high pass case. Okay, here, suppose I'm giving a step voltage here. I'm giving a step voltage here. What happens? V naught T is, V is the step, okay? 1 minus e to the power minus t by RC.
Another important consideration is this coherence time or the coherence.
That's my V naught t. Okay, it will keep on going like that. After that, it will become 0 because it is having a DC. The final voltage will become your DC will be blocked. So it will become 0. Okay. Now, when I am making it like this,
This leads to a very
low pass, same step I am applying here. What is my V naught? V naught is here now. I am putting it as V naught dash. Okay. This V naught appears across this resistance. Here, if I am taking the output, it is my V naught dash. So my V naught T will be this my V was there. Okay, V and then it was step voltage like that. So Vi minus V into 1 minus e to the power minus t by RC.
So these were the two primary effects. One is the Doppler.
V minus this thing. So you see, it will become e to the power minus t by
Two
RC.
types of reading we keep across. One is the delay spread and another is the.
So output voltage will be, if it is step input, output voltage will be
So
across the capacitor, that will be e to the power minus t by RC. V will be there, of course, sorry.
the effect of
V will be there, of course, here,
signal rate.
equal to V into this thing.
Primary things which you must go through the
So this is the, as usual, whatever capacitor charging, discharging, that voltage builds up there, that you have seen there.
small scale channel.
In this problem, I have put your limit for this t.
Completed the
According to RC, that limit, within that limit of t, whatever the shape will be changing.
questions from your
It may become something like that. If RC is very large, if RC is small, it may become something like this. Okay? Earlier I have drawn there. So, is it okay now?
Sir.
So no doubt now? Okay, it's fine. Let me see problem number 3 now.
please be a bit
Still
louder.
time is there. Good. Sufficient time is there. I think I can do other problems also. You put your questions also. I will take it as a problem and solve it to you. Current, question number 3. It is a current pulse. Current pulse is something like this.
Coherence bandwidth is the bandwidth.
Here it is
When we talk of simple bandwidth,
0. Here it is TP.
when we talk of coherence
Here
bandwidth,
it is 0.
multiple
Here it is
propagated and
I.
when they appear in coherence
current I ampere. Okay.
over a particular range of
This was applied to.
coherence.
This is my current pulse. Current source we mark like that. It is given to R and C parallel combination. It's not a low pass, high pass. I'm putting as a parallel. You have to discriminate what is going to happen, low pass or high pass. You'll see that. If it is appearing like that, okay, then the equivalent circuit across this I want to take the output. I can put even C here also. It is the same thing. I can put your C here. I can put your R here. Both are same. In both the cases, I will take this as my output. Same output coming here, same output coming here also. So I'll take this as my output and I'll find my, I remove the component from there. This is my output, terminal 1, V output 1, terminal, V output 2 terminal. I have opened it. What is the voltage source? Thevenin's equivalent voltage source, current into R, because this C has been removed. So it will be over here, IR.
This one is just a brief introduction of that part.
Here it will be your plus, here it will be your minus. What is a Thevenin's equivalent resistance? Source will be short circuited. Capacitor is not the source, is short circuited. What is the voltage? What is the impedance? Only R is remaining. So there will be R here. So Thevenin's equivalent voltage, Thevenin's equivalent resistance I have got. So this becomes a voltage source, I into R. This R becomes your series resistance, your capacitor is put over here. So can you find voltage V naught T? Question number 1 I have done. It becomes a low pass circuit. To find the low pass circuit, first of all you have to find what is your VRT. VRT will be somewhere here. This will be your VRT. How much is the voltage drop across this? And for that, you have to consider first of all a high pass case. To find the voltage across this R, you have to find this. Already I have done that. This is my R. So this is my VRT. Okay? When this VRT I have got, what is my V naught T? VI T, that is your I into R. It is DC voltage. I into R is DC voltage minus VRT. VRT is exponential. I can say it is I into R minus VRT was something your exponentially decaying with respect to this time t. So this becomes your V naught T. You have to plot this. Any doubt here? So anything comes to you, look at the model, what is emerging, where you are going to plot the voltage output. You have got the answer in your fingertips. Is it okay?
Note it down.
Any question? Students, current pulse I have taken.
For Anshika, you know,
Question number 1 is repeating here
it's the
in the form of
millimeter waves.
low pass RC circuit. Shall I proceed now?
But perhaps it is application.
You are
Yes,
not
sir.
okay, fine. So tell me, otherwise doubt is there. You can, I welcome your doubts. Question number 4. Question number 4, I think space will be there. You have got the question number 4 with you? Okay? You have got the question number 4 with you, all of you? I am making a general. I am making it slightly more general. This is my V1. It is coming down. Here is my datum now. Now I am not taking your, you can say, bipolar kind of your square wave. Here it is your
In general, the application of millimeter.
instead of plus minus V, now it is here V1, it is here V2. That's what I have done in my class also. V1 and V2 like that. Then I think I have given the frequency also. Frequency is FC. Okay, take as FC. Frequency is FC means what?
And please write in your own language, do not copy it.
Frequency FC means from here to here.
You will have thousands of articles and everything.
This time is 1 by FC.
But the assignment should
So
be
this width is 1 by 2 FC.
as far as possible.
You know what a value is there according to your compute, and this is also 1 by 2 FC. Now this I am applying to which one? High pass, low pass. I always, it's my question. Apply to CR circuit. CR circuit means high pass case. Okay. So it is applied to high pass circuit. High pass circuit is something here.
Application of millimeter wave, but you leave out that 5G model, it can be a subset of your application. But just
And at this output V naught T, I want to find the percentage tilt.
defense application, there are
Is that okay now?
medical applications, there
These
are
R and C, this is my C, this is my R and C values are given there or not given there, you have to find out yourself. Okay. RC value is not given here for your convenience. In terms of RC, the result will come. This V naught T I want to compute. VI is given here. That is square root. What is going to be my V naught T?
I prefer a handwritten one.
Similar way, the way I have plotted earlier, I plot it here now. When I'm talking at this point now, V1 is applied, this will be your V1 here. Across the R capacitor instantly, it's not charged, so it is giving over there. I assume that within CR capacitor is discharged. That is the, question given to you. Sometimes if it is not fully discharged, it becomes more complicated, you have to solve it. Your teacher might give you for the project or so. But anyway, this is my V1. I'm talking here as V0 now. So this V1 will start decreasing linearly or exponentially, whatever is there, up to this point. And what is this decrease? Here it is your V1 into 1 minus e to the power minus T by RC. Is that okay? So that is this voltage. By that time I have come here, it is coming this time. Here the negative voltage is applied. What is the negative voltage? V1 minus V2 is subtracted from there. So you may come somewhere here. This voltage V1 1 minus 1 minus V1 minus V2. Let me put here V1 and V2 equal to V. Okay, let me put here V1 minus V2 was your some voltage V. Okay, so this voltage V drop will be coming over here, and I don't know if it's gone below V2 or not. That is, situation will tell that. From there it will come something like this up to this point. That will be the point where this is coming here, and then V is added here. So after that it comes over here. So look, this is your V. That means V1 dash minus V1 dash. Anyway, I'll write that expression anyway. So this is my V2 V2 dash, and this is going by V2 in that case. V2 dash and V2, and here it is coming like once again.
How much or in which direction we want from the beam to maintain the particular
like that the plot is coming. This is what? E to the power. It is starting from this. T equal to 1 by 2 FC. Here it is starting. Okay, it is going like that. So what you have to write? E to the power minus T means you are starting from here. One time period you are taking. Starting from here. At this point it should be 0. Okay. So it is your something like T minus 1 by 2 FC. T minus 1 by 2 FC divided by RC. So at T equal to 1 by 2 FC, it is your 1. Okay, so whatever voltage is there, this one will be your, I'm talking of this voltage, V1 minus this. So this voltage I am putting here as, let us say, V double dash. Your V double dash will be nothing but V1 dash minus V. Okay, so V double dash will rise e to the power minus t minus 1 by 2 fc. Here it is 1, so it is v double dash. Now if t is increasing, okay, exponentially it is rising. See something wrong somewhere? E to the power t by 2 fc minus t by 2 fc. It is t to the power t by fc. Why should be minus? Check it. I think I have made a mistake somewhere. T equal to 0, it is this. When it has increased to this point, the voltage is increasing. Oh, T is increasing, e to the power minus that is increasing. So it is decreasing. Why it should decrease? It should increase. So it is a plus here, sorry. It will be plus. It will be a plus one. Okay, so it is got T minus 2 FC, RC like that. So it is exponentially rising, not decreasing. Coming up to this point, when this T becomes equal to 1 by FC. At this point, it becomes T equal to 1 by FC. T equal to 1 by FC, if I make, it become 1 by 2 FC divided by RC, that will be this voltage. Then what you do, you make a period, time period. You have taken this, you have taken this, this becomes your time period.
So our next target for
This you have computed. After that, no need of computing anything. This whole thing is repeating now. There is no need of computing this. Only this I have computed, this I have computed. And this shape is now repeating periodically now as my output. Okay, so output will be this thing repeating periodically, and period will be 1 by FC. It will be repeating like that. Could I explain or confusion?
Sir, got it, sir.
Huh?
Sir, it's clear, sir.
Clear now. Okay. So I'll go to the other problem then. 4 problems I have done. Let me go to the 5th one. Fifth one. Ramp voltage I am taking now. Okay, time is there. It's fine. Good. This is the ramp voltage. Ramp I have considered like this. It becomes a constant. This is my voltage. It becomes a voltage V, capital V, in time, capital T, and then it becomes constant. Okay, I have asked for CR circuit only. I can make it your low pass RC also. Okay, I think same thing you have to apply here. Let me do it here. So what is there? Remember, first to solve from T equal to 0 to capital T. What is happening? dVi by dt 1 by RC.
And you can see there are 75 different receiver.
VC or V naught, whatever you are saying, VC, na? 1 by RC into V naught T.
So this is just an example of
Plus
various diagram. And base stations or the transmitter where
along R, okay, along the voltage, along the resistance R, across R, this is going to voltage V naught T. So what is dVi by dt? 0 to capital T is nothing but the slope is V by T. Okay, so that will be your V by T equal to 1 by RC V naught T plus d dt of Can you solve this differential equation for V naught t? First order differential equation. This will be giving rise to particular integral e to the power minus t by RC. We can say integrating factor IF will be e to the power minus t by RC. You multiply by that. This all terms you multiply by e to the minus t by RC. This will become d dt of something e to the power minus t by RC into V naught. Okay, here V by t into e to the minus t by RC will be coming. So d dt of that means this is integrated e to the t by minus t by RC into V naught will be there, and V naught will get the answer for that. So you can answer it like that. Okay. Beyond t, what happens? For your t greater than capital T and up to infinity, suppose I am going. So dV by dt becomes your 0. Okay. So here what happens? 0 is nothing but 1 by RC V naught t plus dV by. You can solve the differential equation very easily. 1 by RC into dt will become dV by V naught. So exponential relationship you will get from here. So t, small t greater than your this capital T, it will be this solution. Small t less than equal to capital T, it will be your this solution, differential equation. If you have not done differential equation, please see that. Otherwise, I'll do that someday in the class, that differential equation, how to get it. Could I answer this question number 5? In 2 parts. So in 2 parts, the answer will be there. V naught will be appearing in 2 parts. From here to here, it is one expression. From this to this, it will be some other expression. So that way, 2 things will be coming. It is not going to your infinitely large voltage anyway. It will be, according to that, it will be truncating to some finite. Question, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now from my side, I add one more question here. Question number 6 I am adding here, let us say. You can write it in your own way. Here is my ramp. It is becoming 0. It is 0. Again, it becomes like that. It is 0. Suppose I am starting from here. This is my 0. This is my T. This is my VIT. You have done for RC circuit, you can do it for, you have done for CR circuit, you can do for RC circuit also, same thing, the way I have explained. Here I am taking CR circuit again, because that is more involved, so, yeah, VIT, this one is your voltage V, this one is your capital T, and this one I am putting from here to here as tau. It is passed through this RC circuit. Time constant will be given to you, according to that it is passed. So what will happen? You will solve for this. Okay? So d dt will be V by T. So for T going from 0 to capital T, V naught 1 T you have got. Okay, then V naught 2 T will be, here it is a constant voltage 0. So nothing is applied, output will be 0. Okay? Or if it is charged to something, that discharge will take over. It is becoming 0 here itself. So that jump will make it 0. I think that need not be of any worry or so. So it is your capital T 2, I'm putting here as tau is V naught t, that will be your 0. So this you have plotted, this is your 0. Then what is your V naught t? V naught t will be V01 t plus time period plus V naught 2 t plus time period. You can put it some factor here as n, some factor here as n, sum it, n goes from minus infinity to plus infinity. If it is from 0 it is starting, you can put it as 0 to infinity. If ramp is coming periodically, this will be your V naught t. This will be periodically repeating. So this and these two functions together will be periodically repeating. They will not overlap because your time is different. Is it okay now? So write this question in your own language and see that these are the things. Fine then. Any question here? I should close now. Yes, come on. No questions. So what to do now? Thank you very much. I'll meet you on Friday in that case. Okay, good day.